An Oklahoma judge has ordered Johnson & Johnson and one of its subsidiaries to pay the state of Oklahoma $527 million for the opioid crisis. Oklahoma Attorney General Mike Hunter says Johnson & Johnson was deceitful.
Johnson & Johnson took data out of context with respect to their branded opioids, minimized safety issues related to those opioids, omitted material information related to the safety of their opioids, and made comparative efficiency claims about their opioids without substantial evidence.
Johnson & Johnson plans to appeal the ruling. Jeff Stier of the Consumer Choice Center thinks it will be overturned.
Certainly there is a very real opioid crisis that's doing real harm. The basis of the Oklahoma lawsuit was a unusual way to stretch something called public nuisance laws. There has never been an application of Oklahoma public nuisance law in a case like this. It's really not designed for drugs.
Stier adds that Johnson & Johnson does not have a large market share when it comes to their opioid products that Stier says were designed to limit abuse of the product.
So it's a really bizarre verdict. To me, it smells of the state of Oklahoma, and in state of Oklahoma, a Republican attorney general outsourcing a plaintiff's lawyer's firm, just to get money into the state. It's not a especially wealthy state. They see outside deep pockets. They have a legitimate problem, right? I'm not by any means downplaying the opioid crisis, but this is not a responsible, appropriate legal way to deal with a very real problem by going after one of the smallest players just because they have the deepest pockets. And that's why I think it'll be overturned.